సిరీస్ అండ్ ప్యారలల్ కాంబినేషన్. సిరీస్ అండ్ ప్యారలల్ కాంబినేషన్ గురించి ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో చెప్పిన. సిరీస్ ల రెసిస్టర్లను సిరీస్ లో కనెక్ట్ చేస్తే ఏ ఫార్ములా, రెసిస్టర్లను ప్యారలల్ గా కనెక్ట్ చేస్తే ఏ ఫార్ములా, రెసిస్టర్లని సిరీస్ లో కనెక్ట్ చేస్తే కరెంట్ సేమ్ ఉంటుందని, ఇంకా voltage will be divided. These are those things are completed in previous video. We do some problems on previous video లో చెప్పిన కంటెంట్ మీద ఈరోజు కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లం చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, two resistors two resistors 3 ohms and 5 ohms. 3 ohms and 5 ohms are connected in parallel. Are connected in parallel. across battery across the battery having a voltage is 12 volts determine total circuit resistance. Total circuit resistance. Second one, current flowing in 3 ohm resistor. Current flowing in 3 ohm resistor. This is the problem. What is given data? Two resistors 3 ohms and 5 ohms are connected in parallel. Emanta 2 resistor is connected parallel. 2 resistor is connected in parallel. First data is 2 resistor is connected in parallel. 2 resistor nu parallel ga connect cheyandi. Solution, what is given? 2 resistor 3 ohms and 5 ohms are connected in parallel. We connected parallel. 2 resistor is connected in parallel. First resistor resistance enta 3 ohms. Second one is 5 ohms. Ikkada varaku ayipindi. Across battery having 12 volts. This across the 12 volts battery. We connected 12 volts battery across this resistor. We connected 12 volts battery. Okay. Given data prakaram we draw the circuit diagram. This is the diagram. What is given? 2 resistors is given. It is connected in parallel. So we connected in parallel and across the battery also we draw it. Em find out cheyamannadu. What we find it? Total circuit resistance. What is meant by total circuit resistance? R equivalent find out cheyamannadu. We have to find it R equivalent. ఈ 2 రెసిస్టర్ ఎట్లా కనెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాయి? ప్యారలల్ గా కనెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాయి. ప్యారలల్ కనెక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు R ఈక్వివలెంట్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటిది? R ఈక్వివలెంట్ is equal to 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. This is the formula for total resistance. Total circuit resistance ను find out చేయాలంటే ఈ ఫార్ములా. ఎందుకు ఈ ఫార్ములా? Because these 2 resistors are connected in parallel. So that take this formula. 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1. What is R1? 3. This is R1. This is R2. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So you take LCM. What is the LCM? 15, 5 plus 3. 1 by R equivalent is equal to 8 by 15. 8 by 15. So R equivalent is equal to 15 by 8. 8 और 15 division is how much? 8 1 8, 5 0 6. So 2. What is the R equivalent? 1.6. R equivalent is 1.6 ohms. 1.6 ohms. Then 1 by R equivalent is equal to 8 by 15 వచ్చింది. So R equivalent is equal to 15.8. 8 తో 15 division చేస్తే 8 1 8, 5 0, 8 6 48. So R equivalent is equal to 1.6. So when we are connected in parallel, whenever we get R equivalent is equal to decrease. Parallel connect చేస్తే ఏమైతది? రెసిస్టెన్స్ వాల్యూ will be decreased. We get first one వచ్చేసింది. ఆన్సర్ ఏంది? 1.6 ohms. 1.6 ohms. Second one is current flowing in 3 ohm resistor. Current flowing in 3 ohm resistor. In parallel, current will be divided. Already I told you, in a parallel circuit, current will be divided. So we have to find I. So I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. I. What is the voltage? 12 volts. What is the resistance of the? What is given resistance? 3. 3 4s are 12. How much current will be? 4 amps. How much current flowing through this? 4 amps current will flowing through the 3 ohm resistor. 3 ohm resistor, how much current will be flowing? 4 amps current will flowing through the resistor 3 ohms. This is about this problem. Is see, 3 ohms 5 ohms parallel connect చేసి equivalent resistance find out చేసినాం. After that current flowing in 3 ohm resistors also completed. Second problem, note down this problem. These problems are very important. This is important for transfer and GENCO. Also is very important. This type of problems also include asked in competitive exams. Second question. This circuit diagram is given. R1 is equal to 1 ohm. R2 is equal to 2.2 ohms. 2.2 ohms. R3 is equal to 3 ohms. R4 is equal to 6 ohms. R5 is equal to 18 ohms. R6 is equal to 4 ohms. R6 is equal to 4 ohms. This circuit diagram given in the question. What is asking? Find the find equivalent resistance of circuit. Find the equivalent resistance of circuit. Given circuit को ఏం చేయమంటాడు? ఈక్వివాలెంట్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ను ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటాడు. See this diagram. These three resistors are connected in parallel. ఈ three resistors ఎంత కనెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాయి? Parallel గా. These two resistors are connected in series. So this is the combinations of series and parallel. Combination of series and parallel. First, what should I do? First, ఈ త్రీ ప్యారలల్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఫస్ట్ దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. సో ఫస్ట్ I take those three things. 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. 1 by R5. So this is the formula. So you have to substitute 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R3. Enta 1 by 3 plus R4 6 1 by 18. So 1 by R equivalent is equal to, take LCM. What is the LCM? 18 is a LCM. So 3 6 is 18 plus 6 3 is 18. 18 1 is 18. How much? 10 by 18. R equivalent is 1 by R equivalent is equal to 10 by 18. What is R equivalent to? R equivalent is equal to 18 by 10. 18 by 10. So R equivalent is equal to 1.8 ohms. 1.8 ohms. So these three resistor equivalent resistor is 1.8 ohms. So this diagram we draw again. What is given? R1 1 ohm, R2 2.2 ohm, 2 ohm. Three resistor will become one resistor. What is the value? 1.8 ohm. 1.8 ohms. Take as a R3 1.8 ohms. This same as this resistor is R4 is equal to 4 ohms. So this circuit నేను ఈ సర్క్యూట్ ఏం చేసిన రీడ్రా చేసిన సేమ్ R1 ఎంత ఉందో అంతే R2 సేమ్ బట్ దిస్ త్రీ రెసిస్టర్ విల్ బికమ్ వన్ రెసిస్టర్ ఎంత దాని వాల్యూ 1.8 ohms 1.8 ohms ఈ రెసిస్టర్ ఎక్కడ ఉందో అలా రాసేసిన సో ఇది ఎలా కనెక్ట్ చేసి ఉన్నాయి ఈ రెసిస్టర్ అన్ని ఎలా కనెక్ట్ చేసి ఉన్నాయి సిరీస్ లో కనెక్ట్ చేసి ఉన్నాయి దిస్ ఫోర్ రెసిస్టర్స్ ఆర్ కనెక్టెడ్ ఇన్ సిరీస్ సో you know that R equivalent is equal to in series connection of formula ఏంటి యాడ్ చేయాలి అన్నిటిని R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 R equivalent is equal to and 1 plus 2.2 ohms plus 1.8 ohms plus 4. If 4 R equivalent is equal to how much? 9 ohms. So this circuit also rated as a one resistor. So 9 ohms. And this big circuit will become a small resistor. This resistor will become a one resistor. What is the value? 9 ohms. What is the answer? R equivalent is equal to 9 ohms. This is also very important. This is the R equivalent. This is very important. Note down. Remaining problems we are given in a description. You will do that. Thank you.